Hey guys, and what is up? So today we are going to be doing some flip throughs of a beautiful happy notes and a happy planner. This is the Alice in Wonderland collection. So this is so exciting. I love it. It's so cute. I'm going to go ahead and leave all of the information on the screen right now so you know where to get everything and when it's going to become available. I am so excited about this. It's so beautiful and I can't wait to flip through it with you all. Just be sure to check out the description box. I'm going to leave some more information on there. Whatever I can't fit in the screen, I will leave down below. But as far as I'm aware, this is going to be available on Tuesday on the Happy Planner page. So this is so beautiful. These are both in the big. So this is a happy notes and this is a happy planner, the one that I just put off to the side. So it does say every adventure requires a first step. So cute. Ooh, look at the illustrations. Okay. So this is a dotted lined layout. So pretty. And look at the details in the center, these florals, you guys. Gorgeous. So the paper is all the same, so you have plenty of that paper. It says let your dreams lead the way. I thought it said bed. I was like, what? So cute. Some more note paper. Time can be a funny in dreams. And then some more note paper. And then this is the inside of the cover. So you have this beautiful, just like rainbow colors, rainbow lines. And the back is this like, kind of like purple, like kind of like periwinkle. Like I think that's the color, blue. It's just really, really pretty. I love it. So gorgeous. So that is the happy notes. And then we have a full planner. This is 18 months. I'm sorry, I don't know what I was doing. This is 18 months. I'm sorry, not 18 months. This is 12 months. Now this is coming out along with all of the 18-month planners, but don't get it confused because usually the Disney planners do come in 12 months. But this is, again, Alice in Wonderland. Meet me in Wonderland. So beautiful. Oh, I love it. Okay, and then we have the same on the inside of the cover as the happy notes. I can't wait to see all of the dividers. And this is a color block layout. So I know there's a lot of you that use color block, so that is exciting for you all. This is 2022, 2023, your year at a glance. There's a little bit more color in here than usual, at least like lately. So you have your 12 months at a glance. Ooh, look at this. These illustrations. So pretty. Ooh, so cute. I wonder if there's... Okay, so this is the color block. Weekend Adventures. And it's going to be the same. So we can actually flip just through the dividers and then the monthly. Because look, there's like different little illustrations. So cute. So it looks like it alternates because it went back to Alice. And then it has these but in a different section. It looks like Alice just stays in the same spot. And these just move around. So cute. Ooh, this is so pretty. This way to Wonderland. Oh, and she changed. It's interesting. And we have March. I like this. So cute. And then this is May. And then we have June. So cute. So that is Alice in Wonderland Happy Planner and Happy Notes. The rest of squad did get other items, so be sure to check out their videos. I'll leave a list of the other videos or just their other YouTube channels so you can check them out. But I'll also leave the information for these. These are going to be available on Tuesday on the Happy Planner. And I'll leave my affiliate link down below if you're gonna shop any of these items, any of the items coming out. I would definitely appreciate if you use my affiliate link. It's at no cost to you, but I do earn a small commission from that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was short but sweet. And I will talk to you all later. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Yeah, bye.